Okay, we're hiking to a waterfall. I don't know the exact name. I'll get that for you. I'll post it on here. Okay, we're heading to a waterfall. I think it's about 20 feet high. This is the Zirkel mountain range area. Okay, that's Big Creek Lake. And we were heading to the falls. This way. This looks beautiful out here. This is like Jackson County area, Colorado. You can see some of the trees that were charred. There was a fire back through here a few years back. But yeah, this is beautiful back here. Okay, this is going through the trail. You can see all the trees are charred, burnt from one time a few years back. It's supposed to be 70 degrees out today. It's really nice out right now, walking, hiking back here. So far, this is a pretty easy trail. Little ups and downs. It's a nice hiking trail. There's another little pond up here. There's a trail over here. Keep walking forward. Okay, here's a trail. This looks like Big Creek Lake. I don't know if this is the back end of it. It might be. If it is, Big Creek Lake is pretty big. Because we probably walked, I don't know, at least a mile. Maybe farther. Yeah, we're going this way, heading to the waterfall. Trail is has a little bit of ups and downs, but overall it's a pretty easy trail. Okay, this is the rock formation. This is the area that we're hiking on to get to the waterfall. There's some of the rock formation along the trail here. Thought I'd shoot this for you. Okay, coming up to the waterfall. You can hear it coming down the trail. Okay, this is Big Creek Falls. We hiked down Big Creek Trail, which is about 2.5 miles to get here. All right, everyone, I am at Big Creek Falls. We hiked back here, Big Creek Trail. It's 2.5 miles. I hope you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, we walked up above the falls. The sign here says, the sun's shining in it, it's a little hard to see, Mount Zirkel Wilderness. There's a trail that goes out that way. We're gonna walk just maybe 100 yards, if that, and then turn around. And don't forget to watch my next video. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll talk to you next time.